Hello traders, this is Cloud Chartist with a video on Tesla. This is a top-down video starting with some longer time frames and moving to some shorter time frames. Tesla has been on the move lately. We're looking at the weekly chart. These are some weekly fibs that I drew. I draw fibs from real candle bodies, not wicks, so this is just the way I do it. So if your fibs are different, that's probably why. So zooming in, seeing where we are right now, we have surpassed the weekly Kijun Sen, which I expected to act as resistance. We also had a gap to fill. This blue area shows the gap that we just filled. And oh lovely, my screen is locked up. So we are now headed for the top of the weekly cloud, which is located at 213.85. So we should potentially find resistance there. We're currently trading out at 211.36. One thing to note at this particular juncture, we do have a cloud twist, so it's possible that price action could jump through this area, seeing that there is not that much resistance really in this cloud area. All right, looks like we're back in business with the chart actually not being frozen anymore. Let's move down to the daily time frame. I'm going to leave my weekly fibs on there because they are still valid. So in particular right here, we can see that we have the Chikou in the middle of the cloud, and the Chikou will come up and find resistance at the top of the cloud, which is at a 215.04, which happens to be confluent with this 215.16, 61.8 fib from my weekly fibs. So that's really, if we do surpass the weekly cloud level that I just mentioned, I am expecting that 215.16 level to act as a potential area of resistance. You can see that it previously acted as a level of resistance here. Let me see how far back we can go. Yeah, it was prior support way back here in, let's see, that was middle of June. So that's what I'm looking at for, basically 215 level for a potential pause in the upside action in Tesla at the moment. But we could stop first at the daily, at the weekly cloud. Let's go down to the 4-hour in case anybody's trading it on a shorter time frame. The 4-hour still looks bullish in all ways. Ichimoku, we have a nice uptrend. This was almost a pullback to breakout type pattern on the 4-hour. We didn't come all the way down to the Tenkan-sen, but we did have this gap, which is acting as support currently, as well as the weekly Kijun Sen level. Prior resistance turned support. We are overbought on the 4-hour time frame, so that is of concern, which could cause us to look for some flagging action. Last time we were overbought here, we did indeed get some flagging action before the next move up, so that we could be in for some flagging action once again, but we shall see. I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching my quick video on Tesla, and if you'd like to learn Ichimoku or you have any questions about this, please check out my website at cloudchartist.com, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section of this video. And if you're interested in receiving notifications when I post new videos here on YouTube, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again, and have a great day.